Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn something new and very interesting. Okay, and I am showing you so many things, and you have to understand what we are going to do. So you have to be very attentive, and you have to focus your concentration towards me and this activity only. Okay, so we are going to start our activity. So first of all, I am going to show you some things. Okay. I have taken two glasses. Okay. Then I have taken some sugar, some salt, three spoons of different sizes. Okay. I have taken two balls of different sizes, one glass bottle, water, a stone, a leaf, this cup, this jar, compass box, and a paper. Okay, so I have taken these things to show you. Okay, we are doing an activity with these things. Okay, fine. So I am telling you what I am going to do now. Okay, so here you can see I have a paper, I told you, and a compass box. First of all, I will tell you about the weight. Okay, this is paper and this is compass box. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am keeping this compass box on this paper, and now I am blowing air. Can you see that paper is not getting up? Okay, it's not flying, just because the weight is kept on this paper. Okay, that means paper has a light weight than compass box. Compass box is heavier than paper. Okay, so it is a heavy and it is light. So these are two terms which we use to measure weight: light and heavy. Okay, as it is, what is this? A leaf. Okay, and this is stone. Stone is heavier than leaf. Okay, and leaf is lighter than stone. Okay, so this is the concept of heavy and light weight. Correct? Now, if we have to measure some liquid things, sometimes it happens, no, when you feel very low or you are sick, that time doctor prescribes some medicines to you, and mama give you medicine with measurement. Measurement means नाप के देती है मम्मी. अगर आपको suppose any syrup is there, syrup is prescribed by doctor, then what mama used to do it, mama take this measurement cup and she puts some medicine according to the prescription. Prescription means एक ऐसा लेटर होता है जिसमें डॉक्टर लिख के देते हैं कि इतनी दवाई देनी है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, now mama gives you medicine according to the prescription. If doctor has written that you have to give 5 ml or 10 ml medicine to the child twice a day. That means mama क्या करेंगी? Mama will take medicine and she will fill it up to the 10 ml. Okay. Now you can see here. You can see here. Here the level is up to 10 ml. Okay. Fine. So according to the prescription, mama gives you the medicine. This is the measurement cup. Okay. If doctor will say 1 spoon medicine, then mama will get confused. Which spoon? This spoon, or this spoon. So that's why doctor used to write 10 ml, 5 ml, whatever. Okay. As it is, if now I am telling you how many glasses I have? 2. They both are empty. Empty means khali hai. Nothing is there. Okay. Now I am filling water in that. So this glass is fully filled and this is half filled. Okay. This half filled glass and this is fully filled. Okay. Fully filled with water. Okay. So this is here we can say this glass is this glass is half filled with water and this glass is fully filled with water. Okay. So half and then full. Okay. Now here I have 2 different size of bowls. Okay. This one is small and this one is big. If I will tell you that you have to bring 1 bowl rice, then you will get confused. Okay. So that time we should use the measurement. If we have to measure dry things, then we use grams. Okay. This is the unit of weight which we use in measurement. So right now I don't have any measurement unit of grams. So what I will use, I have taken 1 spoon. If I have to divide this salt and sugar, so what I will do, I will take the same spoon. I will put 1 spoon here. Okay. 1 spoon salt here. 1 spoon sugar here. Then again 1 spoon salt is here and 1 spoon sugar here. 1 spoon salt here and 1 spoon sugar here. Again 1 spoon salt here and 1 spoon sugar here. So totally what I have done? Total 4 spoons. 4 spoons salt and 4 spoons sugar I have taken. This is the same quantity. Okay. So in this way we can measure the things. Now one more thing I have. Can you see this? It's a jar. Okay. And here you can read. This is written max. Max means maximum. This is MED, medium. Okay. And this is MIN, minimum. Okay. Maximum सबसे ज़्यादा, medium थोड़ा, बीच का एकदम, और ये मिनिमम मीन सबसे कम. ठीक है. ओके. सो इफ आई विल पुट वाटर till minimum, I have put water till minimum, then I will increase the water level till medium, and then I will again increase the water level till maximum. This is called measurement. We have measured water 3 times. First is minimum level, then medium level, and then maximum level. Okay. I hope you all understand this thing. Now I also have this glass bottle. Okay. So if I have to fill this bottle with sugar. So I will put this sugar in this bottle. I am putting all the sugar in this bottle. Okay. So is this full? No. Is this half? No. There are too much space to fill it. So we should have more sugar to fill this bottle. That means if you have to measure the things, then you have to understand which is full and which is half. Okay. Understand? I hope you all understand these concepts, and you also have to take some things at your home. You can take a box or anything else. If you have measurement cups or measurement spoons, if your mama bakes cake at home, she must have measurement cups. So you can take flour, or you can take sugar, or take salt, anything, and you can measure it from there. Okay. You know what is one tablespoon? Okay, this is the spoon which we use for eating. Okay. This is the spoon which we use for serving. Okay. So this is a teaspoon and this is tablespoon. Okay. This is teaspoon and this is tablespoon. So quantity will be different. Okay. If I will take 1 teaspoon of salt, so it will be this much. Okay. But if I will take 1 tablespoon salt, then it will be this much. Can you see this? Is it visible to you? I hope it is visible. So the quantity of tablespoon is more than a teaspoon always. Okay. So sometimes it happens when we read any recipe or we follow any recipe, that time we have to understand what is teaspoon and what is tablespoon. Okay. So this activity was related to your next chapter in math, that is measurement. Okay. If you have some cups or any glass or measurement jar or whatever, you can also measure the milk also. Whatever milk you are taking at home, you are taking in your breakfast or in the evening also. So you can also measure with your measurement cup. Okay. There are so many measurement units are there. Like for liquid we use term liter or milliliter. Okay, and for dry ingredients we use grams, kilograms. Okay, fine. And you know what, one more thing is there that I will show you. What is this? This is a scale. Why we use scale? We use scale to measure height or width or length. Okay, if I have to measure this compass box, that what is the length of this compass box, then what I will do, I will use this scale to measure it. Okay, I will not use this scale to measure sugar or milk or water, whatever. Okay, there are different units for measuring sugar or milk. Okay, so if I have to measure this compass box, I will use scale. Fine. You can see here I hope you can see here some numbers are written from 0 to 26 because as it is a long scale, so here it is written from 0 to 26. Okay, and this is in centimeter. Whenever we measure any paper, any length or any height or any width, we use centimeter and meter. Okay, these are the units of measuring length, width or height. Okay, you can measure your height also. It may be you must have gone to the doctor and there doctor has measured your weight and height. In school also, है ना, sports coach are used to measure your height and weight. Okay, so these are some measuring units, and I hope you all understand this. Please try to do this activity at home also, so that you will understand what are the measuring units. Okay, so I will meet you again with this chapter. Bye bye.